guys, so I am coming at you today with another video, and today we're going to try to tackle that. I know for sure that my son is wearing clothes that are 2 sizes too small, and my daughter is wearing clothes that are almost 2 sizes too small. And school's about to start, so I really need to clear their closet of the clutter of things that they're not going to be wearing this fall and see what I have left so I can see what I need to go shopping for before school starts in like less than a month. Yeah, come along with me. I'm going to try to declutter. I've heard a lot about the KonMari, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, method, and I'm going to kind of do something similar to that. My daughter's clothes are on the top shelf and my son's clothes are on the bottom. I'm probably going to switch those, but I'm going to take everything out, my daughter's first and then my son's, hopefully, and go through everything and see what they can wear and what they can't. If they're still in good condition, which a lot of their clothes are still in pretty decent condition, we'll be donating them. And then otherwise, do you guys know of anything you can do with kids' clothes that aren't in the best condition? I hate like throwing them away, but I also don't want to donate raggedy clothes because I wouldn't buy raggedy clothes for my kids. So I don't know if there's like some kind of place you can take clothes that aren't like in the best condition. All right, here we go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
Okay, so I just kind of wanted to update you guys. I really hate that they're sharing a closet, and hopefully one day we can organize it a little bit better, or they can not share a closet. But anyway, so I was able to move all of my son's clothes to the top and all of my daughter's clothes to the bottom. And then I kind of organized it with my son's school clothes over here, nicer clothes right here, and then t-shirts, and then winter clothes. So I guess I could kind of put the winter stuff away until it's winter, but we're always pretty hot here, so it doesn't really get to be winter much. And then I have my daughter's dresses, and then t-shirts, and then winter clothes on this side. These are clothes that don't fit them yet in both of those, and then just some random toys and things I need to go through, blankets. And then I don't have a good like shoe storage system for them either. I have this one, which was great when they were small, but now they're big and 2 shoes don't really fit into one little pocket, so I've got to find another system for that. But I did declutter their closet, and I'm going to be working on their dresser now. For today. I got quite a lot done. I was able to declutter quite a bit of their closet and then also their dresser too. So I have a big old stack of clothes. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but it really is, that I'm gonna be giving away. And that's about all I have time for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!